Hi, Assalamualaikum and greeting to everyone, especially to our Communicative English 3 lecturer, Sir Muhammad Azmi Razali, our fellow classmate and audience. First of all, let me start with introduce ourselves. My name is Nurhainia Aisyah binti Alias. My metric number is 19D8020F1007.
Hi, my name is Nurdiana binti Muhammad Noor. My metric number is 19D8020F1024.
Hi, my name is Warna Amali binti Waazmin. My metric number is 19D8020F1010.
Hi, my name is Raisha binti Abu Hassan. My metric number is 19D8020F1047.
Hi, my name is Nur Farhana binti Muhammad Syamsur. My matrix number is 19D8020F1027.
All of us are from D83B in JP Department of Polytechnic Muazzam Shah. Under the graph and chart topic, we have been given an assignment to prepare an oral presentation. In this assignment, we need to set up our own company to sell a product or service. After doing discussion and some research, we agreed to establish a sport equipment company. We named our company as AAAFD Sdn Bhd, derived from combination of our own name. Next, I would like to tell a bit about our company's background. AAAFD company was established in 2017 and founded by 5 partners that agreed to establish a partnership. The 5 members was known as Team Buddy. They like to sport and hang out together at their favorite place to sport. Turns out, their empty conversation all day while doing sport such as gym has spawned their idea to set up a company. They work together in developing their company and have been successful in the first 4 years they set up the company. For the next part, I will pass it to our next groupmate, Nur Farhana, to explain a little bit about mission and vision of our company.
Next is mission and vision. The mission of our company is advance cutting-edge sport-specific research, educate current and future sports professionals, improve the physical and emotional lives of current and former athletes, and harness the power of sport to inspire positive social change. Besides the mission, we had a vision for our company too, which is we endeavor to become the leading voice at the intersection of athletics and academics. We hope to use this voice to unite, challenge, and inspire the next generation of leaders to improve the lives of athletes and to act as stewards of the best practices in the sports industry as a whole. Moreover, we will never forget our responsibility to care for athletes and improve their physical and emotional well-being. Furthermore, our passion is we will approach our work with the same passion that athletes have for achieving their goals and fans have for supporting their teams. At last, AAAFD Company Sdn Bhd has 4 pillars, which is research, education, service, and community outreach. Community outreach is where the power of sport is most evident. Athletes are revered more than ever in today's media-focused world. The influence athletes hold by virtue of their status gives them a unique power to impact public attitudes and actions.
Thank you, Farhana. Now I want to explain about product of our company. The world of sports is so big, diverse, and famous all over the world. Therefore, our company AAAFD chooses to sell sports equipment and sportswear products. Sports equipment and clothing are suitable for use by the public. For our company, people who regularly buy our products are between 40 to 12 years old. A large number of them are bought by male teenagers because they are more active in various types of sports compared to females. Our company provides products such as sports bags to put equipment or sports clothing in a safer condition. The advantage of our products is to provide the best comfort to customers, can provide a good guarantee of safety on our products. Our products, according to current technology and fashion, the clothes we sell are suitable for Muslim men and women who care about wearing in Islam. In addition, customers will also be more productive, happier, healthier and more confident. Customers don't feel afraid to be unique. The features of our products are very high quality, very reasonable price, equipment with strong durability, simple but eye-catching shape, attractive clothing colors. In addition to the existing advantage and features, our success can be due to the managers and employees who are in this company. As a result, our business has reached 4 years in the field of business and allows us to make a profit.
This is our company organization chart. Nur Aini Aisyah binti Alias as General Manager, Nur Fahana binti Muhammad Syamsul as Production Manager, Wan Nur Amalin binti Wan Azmin as Finance Manager, me, Nur Aisyah binti Abu Hassan as Marketing Manager, and Nur Diana binti Muhammad Noor as Research and Development Manager. So now, I will explain about the duties of General Manager. The General Manager is responsible for all of a part department operation or the company's operation, including generating revenues or controlling costs. In small company, the General Manager may be the one of the top executive. Apart of that, a General Manager is expected to improve efficiency and increase profit while managing the overall operation of a company or division. General managers hold various titles such as CEO, branch manager, or operation manager. Let's move on to production manager. Production managers ensure that manufacturing process run reliably and efficiently. Here are some responsibilities performed by the production manager. First, planning and organizing production schedules. Second, assessing project and resources procurement. Third, estimating, negotiating and agreeing budget and time scale with client and managers. Fourth, ensuring that health and safety regulations are met. Fifth, overseeing production process. Now, I will explain about finance manager. Financial managers have the responsibility of overseeing the finance of major companies, agencies, and everything in between. Along with their teams, they coordinate accounting and produce financial reports, cash flow statement, and profit projection. So now, I'm going to move on to the marketing manager. A marketing manager handles the marketing of a business or product. They can be responsible for several services or products or be in charge of a single product. Marketing managers need to have an outgoing, gregarious, and spontaneous personalities. In concert with this trait, they need to be highly focused, detail-oriented, and very conscientious of meeting budget, restraints, and timelines. Last but not least, I will continue with Research and Development Manager. Research and Development Manager performs a number of highly important roles within an organization. They are responsible for research, planning, and implementing new programs and protocols into their company or organization and overseeing the development of new products. The industry in which a research and development manager work will likely have an impact on their specific duties, as these professionals often find employment in fields like healthcare, technologies, business, and pharmaceuticals. Now, the NAB presenter Nurdiana will take over to explain about sales data analysis.
As you guys can see, this table shows the annual sales of AAFD companies in Berhad for year 2020. Annual sales comparison are popular and effective way to evaluate the financial performance of a company. This table can be created through bar chart based on the data given by month and sales. Now, let's move on to the graph and chart number 1. To start this multiple bar chart depicting the relationship between the annual sales of AAFD companies in Berhad for the year 2020. For the legend, the blue color represents for sales of each month. The x-axis show the months while the sales in Malaysia ringgit appear to be on the y-axis. This leads to my next point for month of January and February. This may be because there is less exposure to inspire customer to buy sport equipment and merchandise at that time, or the company maintain the same promotional method or sales method. The company may not take other initiative to increase their monthly sale, and perhaps this is one of the reasons why the sales is same. Meanwhile, there is an undulating sales pattern throughout the month March until May. Sales begin at 5,000 in March, then fractionally higher in April at 7,000. However, the sales drop in May, and this rising and falling pattern continues throughout the month June and July. This may be due to lack of knowledge in terms of marketing and sales. Marketing and sales are very important in increasing profit for a company. In August, the graph has started to increase well continuously until September. This is probably because in that month there are many sport events. For example, October in Malaysia, there is a National Sport Day. Therefore, sales increase very high because most customers want to buy sports equipment for their use. From the analysis, our company's profit increased a lot and had a positive impact. However, sales in November and December decreased slightly but still under control and did not adversely affect our company. Now, let's look at the next slide. This line graph provides information about the sales of the sport item for 2020. It presents each month throughout the year. The x-axis in this graph shows the months for 2020, while the number of sales appear on the y-axis. Now, let's look at the legend. The blue line will present for the soccer ball. Meanwhile, the orange line represents for the sport shoes. Next, the grey line will represent for the sport clothing. And lastly, the yellow line represents for the sport bag. Sales for each item show a good increase from month to month. Unfortunately, sales in June and July started to decrease. This has had a negative impact on our company. This may be due to the lack of promotion and technique in terms of attracting customers. Therefore, other reasons are also because there are no latest release in June and July. However, our company has taken good steps to send our employees to our cost, and sales show a good increase over time. With this increase in sales revenue, it has a good impact and customers are starting to believe in our company, and our sales continue to increase. From the analysis, our company profit increased a lot and had a positive impact. However, sales in June and July decreased slightly but still under control and did not adversely affect our company.
In conclusion, our company has performed well and stable for the year 2020. We managed to re-stabilize our company when there was a slight drop in sale. Our products are also becoming well known to the public. We receive a lot of good feedback from the customer that they like our product because of the quality. It is also a good thing when we enjoy and had fun when doing this business together. I would like to end our presentation with a quote from Richard Branson. A business has to be involving, it has to be fun, and it has to exercise your creative instincts. That's all from us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.